We know that heat is a type of energy and is stored in the form of movement of atoms and molecules. When we add heat energy to an object, movement of molecules increases. And when heat is removed, movement of these small particles decreases. We also know that, in solids, attraction force between particles is maximum, and, in gases, there is no attraction force. Let's see what happens when we add heat energy to solids. For ease, we will take the example of ice. In ice, water molecules are closely packed with negligible movement. When we heat it, because of heat, molecules try to move around, but the attraction force between does not allow this movement. If we continue to add heat, after some time, molecules have enough heat energy that they overcome the attraction force and starts moving relative to each other. At this point, ice starts melting and getting converted to water. This point is known as melting point. In water, there is still some attraction force between molecules. If we further heat the water, relative movement between molecules increases. After some time, this movement completely overtakes the attraction force and molecules become free to move around. This point is known as boiling point. At boiling point, water gets converted to vapor. Now let's see what happens when heat is removed from gases. We will take the example of vapor. When heat is removed from vapor, movement of molecules decreases and attraction force between molecules starts dominating. This results in stoppage of free movement, and vapor gets converted to water. If we further remove heat, movement of molecules starts getting slower and slower. After some time, attraction force overcomes the movement and water becomes ice. In ice, heat energy is very low and attraction force is maximum, and thus movement between molecules becomes almost negligible.